Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Crypto Gains HD, your daily source for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. I'm Harry, and today we've got some incredible updates on XRP, from price movements to groundbreaking developments in the ecosystem. If you're an XRP holder or just interested in crypto, this is the episode you don't want to miss. Let's dive right into the latest news. Over the past few months, XRP has been making waves in the market, but its performance in April 2025 has been a roller coaster ride. After recently trading around $2.46 during its peak earlier this year, XRP is now hovering just slightly above the $2 mark. So, what's driving this volatility? Let's break it down. First, the anticipation around XRP-related exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, is one of the hottest topics right now. There are currently over 15 ETF applications under review by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and experts predict that approval of any XRP ETF could be transformative for the token. Just last year, Bitcoin ETFs saw record-breaking inflows, and analysts believe XRP could follow the same trend. Institutions and retail investors alike are watching closely, as ETF approvals could significantly boost XRP's accessibility and market demand. Meanwhile, Ripple's legal battle with the USSC continues to have massive implications. However, the situation has become more favorable for Ripple, as acting SEC chair Mark Uyeda has publicly signaled regulatory shifts that could ease pressure on digital assets like XRP. Ripple is even inching closer to settling its legal dispute, which might include a reduced financial penalty and the lifting of restrictions on institutional XRP sales in the US. That's huge news for Ripple's operations and could unlock tremendous value for XRP holders. But that's not all. A major announcement was recently made by Coinbase Institutional. The platform is preparing to launch XRP futures contracts later this month under the ticker symbol XRL. These futures will allow traders to gain exposure to XRP with cash-settled, capital-efficient contracts, perfect for institutional investors and advanced traders looking to hedge or leverage positions. Scheduled to go live on April 21st, this move marks a pivotal moment for XRP as it moves deeper into regulated markets. Now, let's talk price. Analysts are divided over XRP's trajectory in Q2 2025. While some believe XRP could hit a breakthrough moment if ETFs are approved, others point to bearish technical signals. For instance, an inverse cup and handle pattern forming on XRP's price chart might signal a potential 20-25% decline if key support levels at $2 break. However, even as short-term risks loom, long-term projections remain optimistic. Price forecasts range from a bearish $1.82 to a bullish $4.48 by year's end, depending on market conditions and regulatory clarity. Speaking of forward momentum, let's zoom in on the incredible innovations happening within the XRP ledger ecosystem. A new player, XploraDex, has launched what's being called XRP's first AI-powered decentralized exchange. The XploraDex platform combines artificial intelligence with XRP Ledger's efficient infrastructure to offer an intelligent trading experience, making it easier for users to execute strategies, manage portfolio risks, and benefit from features like smart liquidity routing. Its native token, XPL, is currently in pre-sale and has already surpassed 50% of its soft cap. If you're passionate about DeFi and the future of XRP, this might be worth keeping an eye on. Meanwhile, there are warning signs we can't ignore. Whale activity shows significant selling pressure in recent months, with large holders distributing XRP during its price peaks. Combine that with President Donald Trump's tariffs on global trade, which have weighed on the broader crypto market, and you see why buyers are cautious. Additionally, technical resistance around 2.4 remains a crucial level for XRP. If broken, we could see another rally back toward $2.50 or beyond, but failure to hold above $2 could lead to a test of $1.84, which is the 200-day moving average. On the bright side, institutional FOMO, fear of missing out, may soon kick in. Industry insiders suggest that as markets anticipate ETF approvals and broader adoption, institutional investors might begin accumulating XRP, driving the supply shock needed for another price surge. Some analysts even speculate that XRP could reach $5 or higher by the end of Q2 if these catalysts align. And finally, I want to mention Ripple's expanding global partnerships. From cross-border payment solutions to central bank digital currency projects, Ripple continues to lead in blockchain innovations. As governments and financial institutions embrace RippleNet and on-demand liquidity technology, the demand for XRP as the ecosystem's fuel will only grow. All right, folks, that's your XRP news roundup for today. It's clear that 2008 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for XRP, with a mix of challenges and incredible opportunities on the horizon. With potential ETF approvals, regulatory clarity, and evolving use cases, XRP remains one of the most watched assets in the crypto space. If you enjoyed this video, I need you to do 3 quick things for me. First, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Second, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Gains HD for daily updates on XRP and all things crypto. And third, turn on those notifications so you never miss another upload. Also, share this video with your friends, family, and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Harry, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay bullish, stay curious, and above all, stay informed. See you next time.